Today is August 12, Monday. Mag-aalas 3 na. Nakaluto na ako ng, ayan, dinner ni Jan. Ito yung beef schnitzel with parmigiana. And yung boys, gusto nilang kainin yung tira na munggo kagabi. Yun ang dinner nila. So, nagluto na rin akong rice. And minamash ko na yung patatas. Ayan. Ito yung kay Jan. And nakaluto na rin akong rice for the kids. Ayan. So, yan. Ito yung first day of dancing ni Holly after ng holiday. So, yung aking vlog ay yung ganap namin every day, pero hindi siya mahaba. So, pagsabay-sabayin ko na lang. And si Jan, nakat niya na rin yung grass kahapon. And kagabi, umalis si Jan, pumunta siya ng Adelaide. Kasi kaninang alas 10 ng umaga, meron siyang early appointment para sa kanyang ear. Kung maalala nyo, long time ago, meron siyang, basta nung nasa Port Lincoln kami, di ba, sobrang sumakit yung tainga niya. So, may check-up siya, follow-up check-up siya dun sa Adelaide. So, mamaya yung dating niya. And ako, yun nga, susundin ko si Holly, yung boys, diretso sila dito sabay. Si Jan pauwi na rin naman, kasi kanina pa yun nina. So, pagdating ng boys, baka nandito na si Jan. And, yeah, si Holly, ang kanyang dancing is 5 o'clock. Tapusin ko lang to and update ko na lang kayo sa aming mga ganap-ganap, guys. And, meron na rin akong veggies for Johnny Boy. Ayan yung carrots and peas. Dito na ako nakapark na pala ako kung saan ako pipick upin si Holly. And, time is 3:22. And yung gamit kong shades is from Sunny Studios. Ayan siya. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking seatbelt habang hinihintay ko si Holly. And dala ko rin yung kanyang, just yung kanyang dance lesson today. Chinek ko yung schedule ni Holly. Ayan na siya. Hi! Hi, my love.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. How's your hair?
It's good.
That's good. Okay, change to now. Chinek ko yung schedule ni Holly. Kung maalala nyo nung first, second term, Monday, dalawa yung class niya. Ngayon, isa na lang.
I finished all my water.
Did you? That's good. I have more water here.
Yeah, I finished because I'm
Okay.
thirsty.
Painumin ko muna ito.
Guys,
Guys, oh, mainit yan. Binaba ko tong
it
ano.
was so hot today. I can't believe we did sports.
It's hot.
Yep.
Yeah, the sun is out. Hindi ganun kalamig. But yesterday was cold. And, yun nga, every Monday, yung schedule niya nung first term, second term.
Do you have any food?
No, I didn't bring any food, Baba. You finished all your food?
Look at my lunchbox.
Oh, naubos niya naman yung baon niya. So, yun nga, kung maalala nyo before, Monday, dalawa yung lessons. Ballet
Mom,
and...
my friend said it's in 4 hours.
What do I have for hours?
My dance.
No, 5 o'clock.
Oh, do we have enough time to get ice cream?
Ice cream? Ah, you want ice cream? Yeah.
Look, guys.
Ah,
Guys. Ta-da!
ang galing niya. Naubos niya na yung lunch. Lagi naman. Minsan may
I
tira
finished
siya.
my cheese,
Kunti lang.
too.
Your cheese.
Yep.
Sabi ko sa kanya, kainin niya yung slice na cheese kasi
Let me see if
minsan
I have
tinatanggal
some
niya.
of that.
Nakikita ko, tinatanggal niya. So, yun.
Can
Before,
we have ice
3
cream?
times a week lang ako pumupunta dito kasi nga yung Monday niya, dalawa yung dance lesson niya. Ngayon, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Friday.
So, Monday, jazz, contemporary. Tuesday, under 10, small group.
Wait, do I just skip Friday? So I
Wednesday, jazz and contemporary.
Wait, what's today?
Then Thursday, yung ballet niya, Thursday na. Bronze Star Ballet. Oh, Holy, Mommy's gonna be coming here almost every day.
I know, well, we just skip Friday.
Why we cannot
We
skip.
don't have Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
So we don't do dance on Friday. It's only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
So 4 days, I have to come here as well to pick you up. So yan yung schedule niya. Okay, change now. Ang class niya is, nakalagay dito, 17:45. So 5 o'clock. 5:45 ba yan?
Do we have time to
12.
get ice cream?
We'll see. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, 5:45 yung kanyang dance. So, punta ko ng Baker's Delight. Kuha ko ng French bread. Gustong-gusto yun ni Jan. And kuha din akong apples. Mga fruits ang kukunin ko and
Where's
mints.
my... Did you get me pants to wear?
Yes, I did.
I don't wear white pants. I need to wear shorts.
You can wear that shorts if you want.
Yes,
That
I
PE.
am. I'm not
Okay.
wearing my pants.
Alright.
It's so
Okay. Change your clothes now.
hot. And let's go get ice cream now.
Gusto mo mag-ice cream?
Wait, where's my...
And I'm going to the gym pala guys. O naka power
Wow.
pop. Pero ayan, meron ako dito sa
Where's
loob
my Hypes t-shirt?
na pang gym
Where's
natin.
my Hype? Oh, I found it.
So yeah, mag-gym ako kasi
Mama, look at me.
ang dami nating nakain nung nasa Pinas and Bali. So back to ano na ako. And renesume na nila yung aking access sa gym.
Guys, my friends get to see my hair.
Nakuha tayong ice cream, andun na siya. I don't think so they have the one you want. Yeah, not much left. Vanilla, passion fruit, banana, bubble gum. Bubble gum, okay. Wala na.
What's that? Oh,
Nothing. Is it
nothing
anything?
in there.
Nothing in there. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good?
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. Ako banana, passion fruit.
That's okay.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I do. About $20.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Hi there, hot stuff.
Get that one, Baba, please. Hindi siya ganun ka-smooth like before. What do you think? It's different. Dati sobrang sarap na sarap ako sa ice cream nila. Baka hindi na tayo sanay.
Mom, can I try yours? What's that flavor?
Passion fruit. How about yours? Ah. Nice. Masarap din pa ang bubblegum.
Ang sarap, Mom.
Ang sarap man.
Passion fruit.
Kainin muna namin to. Tapos punta ako ng Baker's Delight. Dito na kami sa Baker's Delight. Time is 4:04. And I didn't really enjoy my ice cream.
I like mine. Do you like mine?
Yeah, yours is good.
Yours has more ice in it.
Yeah, parang siyang madaming ice.
Mine has like
hindi
no
siya
ice.
smooth. And yeah, mag-gym naman tayo. Mag-gym. Anong connection? Nag-ice cream muna ako bago mag-gym. Tagal ko rin kasi hindi yun natikman, but ngayon natikman ko at saka hindi maganda yung experience ko, baka hindi muna tayo mag-ice cream doon. Ako. Pero ito, magyayaya to every Monday. Lalo na ngayon, ang dami naming time bago yung dancing niya. So, dala ko rin yung laptop ko. So, mag-edit tayo. Kasi hindi pa ako makapag-gym hanggat hindi ko pa siya nasisend sa kanyang dance lesson. So, dito muna ako tatambay sa Baker's Delight. Bago sila magsara ko ako ng tinapay. Ang dami pa namang bread. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Kita nyo yung cart ko. Nagre-reflect siya dun sa sa window. But, yeah.
Gusto ko.
Ang dami pang bread. Kumakanta si Oli ng nanay tatay.
Here
4:27.
you go. Do you have the key?
No, we don't need the key.
Just
4:27 pa lang.
my car
tayo
is
ng bread.
locked now, Mom.
So yung kinuha ko ay ito, yung white stick bread ang tawag.
That's home.
Sea salt flakes. Turkish is Turkish bread roll. Yes. And then 2 pani di casa. Thank you. It's Sunday, August 18. Ayan, babalot ako ng spring rolls. Yung iba, kinain na namin. Kaya, yan pa lang yung nababalot ko. Madami-dami dapat yan. Ayan, meron dito. And, dinner namin for tonight is corned beef, mushroom, cauliflower. Magbibake akong cauliflower. And this little girl, kanina pa siya kain ng kain. And tumagal yung buhok niya, guys. Ayan yung buhok niya. Ayaw niya pang ipatanggal.
Ow! Everyone can just, when I'm running away, they can just grab my hair.
So, yan yung ganap na. Si Jan busy sa boat. Nagpapolish siya doon. 4:30 na. Ito yung cauliflower na ibibake ko. Mayroon na yan na white sauce and 3 kinds of cheese. Wala pa rin si Jan and hindi pa rin ako tapos magbalot ng aking spring rolls. So, ayan pa yung aking babalutin. Ibabalik ko to sa ref kasi kumukuha lang ako na yung kaya kong balutin. Tapos nilalagay ko to sa ref. Tapos dito ko linalagay yung aking babalutin. Naglagay pa ako ditong noodles. Yung potato noodles. Yung Korean. So, naglagay ako dito. And yung iba, walang noodles. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Pero, magluto muna tayo ng dinner. Ayan, mag-bake muna ako. And eto, ibabalik ko sa fridge. 6 o'clock na, guys. Dito na rin si Jan. Nakaligo na siya. You're not eating kasi ang dami niya na nakain na spring roll. Ito yung bake na cauliflower. And ayan na yung corned beef. And spring rolls. Si Sak nakasyam na siyang spring rolls. Si Holly, 7 ata sa kanya. Si Kuya, kararating lang ni Kuya kasi pumunta siya sa friend niya. So, yan yung dinner namin, guys. So, we'll see you next time. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung ganap namin sa araw-araw. Simula nang dumating kami dito. Ayan, ready na siyang kumain. So, yan yung kanyang plate. You're full?
No, I'm just on diet.
Wow, on diet siya. Sana all.
Okay.
Welcome.
Zach.
Zach. Okay, guys. See you next time. Good afternoon, guys. Ayan, nakapagluto na pala ako ng meatballs. Ito yung tira ng ginawa kong lumpia Shanghai. So, hindi ko siya binalot lahat kasi gabing-gabi ng kagabi. Hindi ko na nga napakita sa inyo, guys. Naka 100 plus tayong balot. But, yeah, ito yung dinner ng mga bata. Sweet and sour balls. For, ano na, guys, 4:15. Maya-maya nandito na yung mga bata. So, yeah. Dito na sila, guys.
Go home.
And, ayan na si Holly, yung hinihintay ko. And ako mag-gym. Habang hinihintay ko siya sa paglabas niya sa dancing. Okay, let's go, Baba. Love you, bye. Doon tayo sa mount. Kapatid na natin to. And ako, diretso ako sa aking gym. Aking gym. Back to workout na tayo. Lamig. Come, Baba. Tingnan mo, naka-crop top siya. Malamig, pero naka-crop top siya. Aren't you cold?
No.
Alright.
Actually, cold.
I am cold. Okay, see ya. Bye. Alright, go. Okay. Sila na yung next dyan. Yung room, dyan yung room nila. Thank you sa pumasok. And ako dito sa 24 feet. Tapos na tayo mag-gym. Pick upin na natin si Holly. Kailangan kong bumili ng gloves kasi nagkakaroon akong parang blister. Yung gloves ko kasi hindi ko makuha. Hindi ko mahanap yung isang kapares na. Malapit na sila matapos. 5 minutes na lang.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Kanina pa pala kayo nakauwi ng bahay. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung dinner ko. Meron ako ditong avocado with burrata and my homemade na balsamic vinegar. Para siyang chocolate. Ang kulay lang. And papartneran ko to ng crostini. Ito yung paborito ko ngayon na crackers. Ayan, parmesan and black pepper. Yung kanyang flavor. And yung mga bata kanina pa kumain, guys. Ayan yung tira nilang sweet and sour meatballs. So, yan yung ganap namin today, guys. So, I'll see you next time.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.